In 2026, the best eSIM for Thailand depends on your specific travel priorities, such as unlimited data, network speed, or low cost. AIS remains the top-rated local network for its superior 5G coverage and speeds. Best overall. Saily, created by the NordVPN team, Saily is highly rated for its intuitive app and reliable 5G connection. It offers competitive rates starting at $2.99 for 1 GB/7 days. Best for maximum coverage. UBG is a full MVNO that uses both AIS and True networks, making it the most reliable for remote areas like northern mountains or distant islands. Unlimited 7-day plans are typically around $22.90. Best for unlimited data. Holafly offers fully customizable unlimited plans, 1 to 90 days. It is ideal for heavy streamers, though hotspot sharing is capped at 500 megabytes per day. Best budget option. Mobi often provides the cheapest rates, such as 50 gigabytes for $10 or 15 gigabytes for $10. Best for frequent travelers. Airalo uses the DTAC network and is popular for its easy setup and air money rewards. Note that it may have slightly patchier signals in rural areas compared to AIS-based plans.